Transformed Beauty, your girl EuniyceMari here, and so today I'm going to be sharing with you guys new skincare products that I have been using and my thoughts, my full review on them, if I would buy them again, if I love them, hate them, all of the above. If you're new to my channel, hello, my name is EuniyceMari and my channel is all about informative beauty, from skincare, hair care, makeup, DIYs, all that fun stuff. If you're not subscribed to my channel, girl, what are you doing? Go ahead and click that subscribe button, thumbs up this video, and share your girl with the world. If you're curious about my own skin here and what I'm currently using, my skincare routine, my whole acne journey, I will leave a playlist down below for you guys to go and check out, and also above in the little bubble. Also too, if you want to know what makeup I am wearing, it will be down in the description box as well. I have been trying some new things, from face masks to face cleansers to moisturizers to oils. I just wanted to get some new things into my regimen and try some new things and not just be, you know, using the same old stuff, which I feel if it's not broken, why fix it? But it's always good to go and find something new to throw in to your skincare regimen. So first we're going to start off with cleanser. I ran out of my usual cleanser. I think it was the last thing I was using was the Nola cleanser. I will leave above and down below my full review on the Nola SkinCiritualist brand. But I ran out of their, or I finished out their was it tea tree? I think it was their tea tree foaming face wash. So I decided to go ahead and try a Pacifica product. So this is the Pacifica Pineapple Cleanse, and it is oil slaying face wash. It is sulfate free. When your skin feels like an oil slick, we've got your back, actually your face. Old oil, makeup, toxins, and pollutions can turn into free radicals that wreak havoc on your pretty face. Clean skin is your first defense in your skincare arsenal. This gel-based cleanser contains tons of natural contains a lot of natural extracts to get the job done right the first time without over drying. This is for oily and combination skin types. Directions, of course, is to use morning and night, apply to damp skin in circular motion and rinse. Okay, so I tend to grab for this more so at night because I do have a lot of, I do get oily, I have makeup, and I think this works best for me to cleanse everything off at night. Now, when I first got this, I did not like it, and I'm still on the fence with this product. It's not horrible. It's not like I hate it, but I don't see myself buying this product again. I'll show you guys the consistency of it. Ooh, and it just falls right out the tube. It's very gel-like. Very gel-like. The smell of this I don't like. It's very synthetic. Of course, you guys know we talked about this. Pacifica is vegan and cruelty free, but it's not 100% natural. So there may be something in here that is synthetic. So that's something that So that's something that threw me off, was the very synthetic smell of this. Also, it's very sudsy. Now, I get you want a good lather with this, but this stuff, I'm telling you, it's really sudsy. I think it's just too sudsy for me. And I mean, a little bit of this stuff goes a long way, but I mean, like, your face is all sudsy. I like a good lather up, but not something where it just is too much. It's over sudsy for me. So it cleanses my skin. It doesn't leave my skin dry. It doesn't leave my skin irritated or anything. I like that part of it, and it does remove everything, but it just doesn't really wow me. It's like, okay, you know, like, you won't see me like reaching for this product again. And you guys know it has to wow me. Like, I have to use a product and be like, ooh, like, I would definitely get that again. Like, it has to do something extravagant for my skin, and it didn't do that. So I definitely will finish this up, but definitely won't be repurchasing. And the link to this and everything I talk about in this video will be down below. Okay, so next we're going to jump into some sheet mask. You guys know in the video where I talked all about sheet mask 101, how to use a sheet mask, I'll leave it above, down below. These are the ones that I talked about in that video, and you know how to use a sheet mask. So I've been playing around with some new sheet masks. I've been really into sheet masks lately, so we're gonna go through them. Yes to Carrots. Okay, so this is the Yes to Carrots detoxifying charcoal paper mask. I liked it. It was cool. Didn't really make my skin look or feel any better than your average sheet mask. It didn't wow me. Would I buy it again? No. It is a detoxifying charcoal paper mask. So on clean skin, you unfold the mask, you apply it to the face, let it sit for 10 minutes, and then you remove it. The only thing about this mask that kind of threw me is that it doesn't say if you should rinse the skin or if you should cleanse the skin after. It doesn't give you any specifics on that at all. So I believe I rinsed my face afterwards and then I applied my moisturizer, but I didn't see a big difference with this. It didn't, you know, make my skin feel any better from another sheet mask. So would I buy it again? No, it just didn't really wow me. Okay, I will leave a link above and down below. Last we're going to talk about is Yes to Carrots, and it's by the same brand. This is the Coconut Ultra Hydrating Paper Mask. Yes to Coconut extracts for intense skin hydration and smells like a tropical vacation, formulated without parabens, SLS, silicones, and it's made from 100% natural cotton. You put this one on for 10 minutes, let it sit, and you remove it. This one made my skin tingle a little bit, and my skin did feel good after using this one. So I did see a little bit of a difference, or felt a difference in my skin when using this one, so I would definitely repurchase. Okay. The next one is a Pacifica Stress Rehab Mask, and this has coconut, green tea, and caffeine in it. And pretty much you leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes and massage the serum all over your face and call it a day. Didn't see much of a difference with my skin on this one. Didn't like it. Wouldn't rebuy it. Next, we're going to get into makeup wipes. So there are two makeup wipes that I've tried. The first one we'll talk about is Pacifica Rose Water. Now you guys know I have used Pacifica's coconut water makeup removing wipes, and I love those. So I decided to go ahead and get the rose water ones. So these are rose and coconut water for all skin types. And it says, refuse to obey time, life is rosy. Live it up with your beautiful skin. Rose water infused natural fiber towelettes. Wipe away toxins, makeup, dirt from the day and clean up your pretty face. Use prior to moisturizer or in conjunction with your favorite Pacifica micellar water. Okay, these burned my face. I don't know what it was about these, but I used them and my face was on fire. So I used them up, but I most likely wouldn't buy them again because they just didn't go well with me and my skin. It burned for some reason. Okay. So the next one that we're going to talk about is Burt's Bees. Now you guys know that I am in love with Burt's Bees sensitive facial wipes, and I've tried those, love those. I always buy them, hands down, it never fails. But this time I decided to go with the facial cleansing towelettes in pink grapefruit seed oil for normal to oily skin. The reason why I decided to try these bad boys is because they were for oily skin. So I'm like, okay, you know, I have oily skin, so it just works out. But they burned my skin. Like it was just too intense for me, you know. So I prefer the sensitive towelettes over these bad boys, but they were good and they were fun to try in the meantime. I'm going to go over another mask that I forgot to include with the other ones, and this is Shea Moisture's African Black Soap Clarifying Mud Mask with tamarind, extract, and tea tree oil. Okay, so I purchased the African Black Soap kit. My skin was having some issues, and so I was like, let's just get everything African Black Soap and just get this skin back on track. And so this was a part of that kit, and I am in love with this stuff. Oh my goodness, I use it about once a week on my skin, and it is amazing. It's amazing. It doesn't irritate my skin. My skin doesn't feel dry. It's not, you know, peeling or irritated, none of that. Like when I remove this, my skin is just refreshed and rebirthed, and I just love it. So I will actually go back and buy like a bigger container of this, and a little bit of it goes a long way. I love this stuff, and let me see if I can read some of the ingredients to you guys. It says the deep cleansing mud mask helps to restore impurities from blemish prone skin. African Black Soap blends with tamarind extract and tea tree oil to clarify and soothe skin. Skin feels clean, softened, and refreshed. You apply a thin layer of mud with fingertips to clean skin, avoiding eye area. Keep on for 10 minutes. Remove with damp face cloth, use weekly or as needed. And I use it once a week. So this stuff right here, if you have not tried this stuff, get your hands on this. It's really great at clarifying the skin. So next we're going to talk about moisturizers. I firstly went and tried this Burt's Bees Hydrating Gel Cream with Royal Jelly, skin nourishment for normal to combination skin. Now the reason why I grabbed this is because if you guys remember, I used the Royal Jelly cleanser from Burt's Bees and I loved it. So I figured I would like this product too. Well, I figured wrong, okay? I absolutely hate this product. I don't like it. It does nothing for my skin. It smells good. I mean, the smell of it is nice. The texture of it is quite, well, it's jelly, of course. It's just that it's a different texture, but it just did nothing for my skin. It didn't improve it. It didn't make it feel better. It didn't make it worse, but it just did nothing. It was like putting water on my face, and it didn't do anything for me. So I haven't used it. I've used it probably twice and that was it, or maybe even 3 times, and that was it, and it's been sitting on the shelf ever since. So definitely would not be buying this or using this again. Another moisturizer that I tried that I've been loving is the Shea Moisture's African Black Soap Balancing Moisturizer. Are you guys shocked that I love this stuff? Are you guys like shocked? You guys should know by now that Shea Moisture is pretty much my staple product, my staple go-to. They rarely ever fail me when it comes to me looking for something that is solid. Shea Moisture products are solid. Like, they do what they say they're going to do, and there's been products that I haven't enjoyed by them, but 90% of the time I love their products. This is their African Black Soap Balancing Moisturizer with tamarind extract and tea tree oil, and this stuff is just, it's lightweight. It makes my skin look amazing. It actually doesn't give me an oily look. It makes me look pretty matte. It goes very well underneath my moisture. It goes very well underneath my foundations, my primers, and my skin overall. It's like a treatment also. So any breakouts that I'm having or issues that I'm having, this just nips it in the bud. And I just like that it's a 2-in-1 combo for my crazy skin. There's African Black Soap, which clarifies oily skin, blemish prone skin. Tamarind extract, which is a natural astringent that helps exfoliate skin, and tea tree that gently purifies essential oil, helps to soothe and mattify skin. So I love this stuff. I would definitely buy it again. It came in that acne kit, by the African Black Soap acne kit. It came in there. I will leave the whole kit as well down below for you guys to go and check out. But if you haven't gotten your hands on this and you are acne prone, girl, you need to get your hand on some of this right here. The moisturizer that we are going to talk about from Shea Moisture is their Virgin Coconut Oil Daily Hydration Lotion. Now I wanted to try something that was a little bit different from, you know, the African Black Soap line, and I really do like their coconut line, so I decided to give this a try. It is organic raw shea butter, coconut and coconut milk blend, and acai Senegal, which seals in moisture. Now this one I like. I use it only at night. The other one, the African Black Soap one, I use mainly in the morning time because I feel like that's just better for me. It sits well underneath my makeup. I use this one at nighttime just to give my skin a little bit of an extra moisturizer, and I like it. I'm not gonna say that I am sold completely by it. I still want to use this a little bit more and to see my final thoughts on this, so I'll definitely will come back and kind of give you guys more of a catch up on this. But it's very moisturizing, it's not heavy, it's very light, and my skin feels good throughout the night and in the morning time. So far I'm liking it. To pair that is the Shea Moisture 100% Virgin Coconut Oil Daily Hydration Overnight Oil. So you guys know I am a nut when it comes to oils. I think oils are very important to have in your skincare regimen. They just give your skin that extra boost. They seal in your moisture. Oils are very, very important. If they're used wisely, you will get great benefits out of it. If they're used incorrectly, you'll be an oil spill. So adding oil into your regimen to me is very key, and that's what gives you your glow. All right, so I've used this paired by itself, and I've used it paired over a moisturizer. By itself, it is amazing. I love it by itself. paired over a moisturizer, sometimes I've noticed this does not sit well over a water-based moisturizer. I don't know why. Sometimes it doesn't sit well. I did use it last night though, and I will tell you a little bit of this is better than too much. So I did use a little bit and it was great over my moisturizer. And usually when I do use this, I pair it with the coconut hydration moisturizer, okay? And I mean, it just sits very well if you use a little bit. That is the key. So I actually really do like this stuff, and I will be rebuying it. And just, you know, having that oil that will seal in any moisturizer is key, okay? It's a full circle. This bad boy right here, this is the Mighty Patch. And pretty much what you do with this bad boy is that you will stick it on top of any breakout you have overnight, and it brings that bad boy to a head. And then in the morning when you wake up, you peel it off and you have no pimple. I've used this multiple times and it's worked. This has 6 patches in it, and pretty much just says blemish always shows up at the worst times. Before a date, an interview, or any time you want to show your best face. That's how we create Mighty Patch, a hydrocolloid patch that extracts impurities, camouflages blemishes, and helps heal your skin, so you can get out there and be mighty. So yeah, I like it. I will actually go out and buy more of these. I also seen that they have one where it you can put it, I guess, under your makeup, and I really want to try that because I feel like I don't like to cover blemishes, or I don't like to cover like breakouts or things. So if I had something where you can put it down over it to treat it and then put your makeup over it and it looks normal and not like you have like tape or something under your skin, I would definitely use it. But yeah, so that was really nice. And I got these in a Hum Nutrition subscription where I get my vitamins. They sent this in there as well, so that was a great little addition, and I actually really do like these bad boys, so I need to go and get my hands on more of them. All right, and those are some new skincare products that I have been using and my feelings and my thoughts on them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video.